Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. In this episode I'm going to be taking you around the Phuket Vegetarian Festival, which happens every year on October 17th. And this whole street is packed full of people. There's food stalls set up everywhere. It's starting to get really busy. I just finished lunch. And now I'm just going to be walking around showing you what this festival is all about. So it's a huge source of tourism for Phuket. There's a lot of people that come here and they eat all sorts of different types of food. And there's also this really strange ritualistic celebration where these, I forget what they're called, but they're kind of like people that they mutilate themselves. So they undergo a hypnosis, like a special meditation, and then they make these piercings through their cheeks with large spear-like objects. So it should make for some pretty interesting video footage. Viewer discretion advised, because it's pretty grotesque. But right now I'm just walking along this busy street here in Phuket town, which is kind of like the government like business district here on the island. Hello, Sarika. Everyone's very friendly around here, and they're just looking to have a good time this weekend. So it should be a lot of fun, and I look forward to showing you around Phuket town. It's starting to get really busy, and I think this weekend is going to be a lot of fun. So I'm planning on staying in Phuket for another couple days, and then I fly back to Bangkok. But I specifically came here to get my visa stamp and to shoot this vegetarian festival, which lasts for about 9 days, but I'm not going to be here for the entire festival. But yeah, it's pretty interesting, and look forward to showing you around. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notifications for future episodes. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Ready, Carl? There we go. Good to go. It's a pretty popular festival, as you can see. It's a narrow street, and there's all this traffic coming through, and they have a bunch of food stalls set up everywhere. Oh, this looks good. I think it's passion fruit?
Yeah, passion fruit.
Passion fruit?
Yeah.
How much?
75 baht. Big 50 baht.
60 baht.
50 baht.
Oh.
75 baht. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I think I'm gonna wait for now. Maybe I'll come back later. Ooh, this looks really good. Check it out. Ooh.
Very good.
Looks very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I'll get some. Nah, I think I'm gonna keep walking. So what is this? What is this? Huh. What? See? Alright. Ooh. Everything looks delicious. Wow. I can't decide what I want to eat. There's too many options. I need to just pick something. Here we go. What do we got here? Ooh. Yeah. This bus goes from Phuket to Patong, so it's bringing in a bunch more people. Hello, how you doing? There we go. YouTube vlogger? Are you YouTube? YouTube? Oh, that's okay. All right. 11 pieces of sushi for only 80 baht is a really good deal. I'm starving right now. I haven't eaten all day. Yes. Perfect. Thank you, sir. All right. Come crab. Thank you. Woohoo! I got my sushi. Now I just have to find a place to eat it. I'm gonna keep walking around a little bit. Oh, these look good too. I really like this area of Phuket town. Maybe I can find a Thai tea or iced coffee around here too. Let's look around and see what we see. Oh, what's this? Clams? I don't know. I got food here. Thanks. Alright. Ooh, fried fish. We've got fried fish here. That sounds pretty good. They're frying it up right now. Ooh. How much? 30 baht. Okay, I'll get one. Ooh, excellent. Looks delicious. I love the Thai tea with milk or iced coffee. All right. Great. Oh. Excellent. Combo crop. 30 baht, man. Thank you. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, combo crop. Thank you. I'm continuing my walk along the Old Town district here in Phuket town. I just finished dinner and I'm still hungry. And there's so much good looking food around here. Check it out. They've also got a lot of nice little shops around here where you can buy clothing and jewelry and these types of things. Sweaty crop. Sounds like there's live music up ahead as well. Let's check it out. It's one lady singing by herself. Oh, check this out. They have kebab as well. So it's not strictly vegetarian food. They also have meat products. Oh yeah, there we go. Looks delicious. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Hello. All right. What do we got here? Oh, great.
เดี๋ยวน้องเขาวางอันแรกครับผมวางก่อน
Right.
ก็เลยตื่นเต้นครับอีตื่นเต้นสักนิดนะครับเดี๋ยวจะได้ออกนะครับผมนะครับ ladies and gentlemen please have a seat with us for a bit นะครับผม this is the Southern Thai dance performance นะครับit is a Southern Thai dance traditional performance นะครับผมไม่ใช่แค่รำได้อย่างเดียวนะครับผมเรื่องตีทับตีกลองเล่นอันนี้ก็ทำได้ด้วยเหมือนกันนะครับผมทั้งสองคนที่ว่ายุ่งมากนะครับผมทำได้เหมือนกันนะครับผมเขาเป็นนักดนตรีนักรำนะครับแล้วก็คนที่นักตีทับตีกลองอยู่นะตอนนี้ก็รำด้วยเหมือนกันนะครับผมไม่ใช่ย้อยนะครับเรา
Thanks for watching another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. In this episode, I've been taking you around the Vegetarian Festival here in Phuket Town, which happens every year from October 17th till October 26th. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please subscribe, hit the red button, and the bell icon to get notified of future updates. Next, I'm going to be going to PP Islands for a couple days to check out the island. It's supposed to be beautiful right now. There's no tourists. I'm going to be meeting a friend over there to do a photo shoot and possibly do some diving as well. So I'm really excited about this. I've never gotten the chance to go to PP yet. I was going to a couple months ago before the COVID pandemic. But now, I don't really need this face mask right now. So yeah, stay tuned for the next episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. And I look forward to releasing more content over the next few weeks. Stay tuned for travel updates from Thailand during the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm planning on staying here for at least another few months. Just need to extend my visa when I get back to Phuket, and should be good to go from there. So stay tuned. Hope all is well and you're staying safe. Peace from Thailand. Till next time.